we're going to kind of mash up two ideas, a cheese souffle and a frittata. So we're gonna make an extra poofy frittata with cheese and a little bit of Dijon mustard running through it. And then we're gonna pile it with prosciutto and a little arugula salad up on top. Very, very pretty. And we're going to turn English muffins into breakfast garlic bread. For frittatas in general, I think whatever size skillet should reflect the number of eggs you use to fill the skillet. Here's the rule of thumb. If you're using a 12-inch skillet, use 12 eggs. If it's 10, use 10 eggs. If it's 8, and so on and so on. For this frittata, I've got a little bit of melted butter in a nonstick skillet that's oven safe. The oven should be preheated to 400 degrees, and then take 1 tablespoon per English muffin of butter. So if you're making 4 English muffins, at least 4 tablespoons of butter, and lots of crushed garlic, and gently heat that together. That's why I have in this little baby pot here. Now, when I make muffins, just like when I make a big old loaf of garlic bread for a big Italian dinner, I toast the bread first to keep it extra crisp. Then I saturate it with the garlic butter or the garlic butter and olive oil mixture and add the cheese and a little parsley. And then I retoast the bread to just kind of set the cheese. Okay, so for the eggs, here's what you do. Divide your eggs, right? 1 per inch of pan between 2 bowls. All the yolks in one, all the whites in the other. The yolks, you're going to add to them about 1 cup of grated Parmigiano cheese. You're also going to need about 1/2 cup of grated Parmigiano for your garlic bread, so reserve that. Also to our eggs, we're going to add a little nutmeg, salt and pepper, of course. And because we're going to serve it with prosciutto di Parma, which is essentially ham, I'm going to add a little Dijon mustard to the egg yolks as well. Nice fat squirt of that. And we're going to whip that up. Separately, we're going to beat our whites until soft peaks form. When we come back, we'll fold this all together, pop it in the oven, and we'll make our garlic bread. Hi, guys. So just to recap, we are gently folding. We switched from a whisk to a rubber spatula. We are gently folding in our egg whites to our egg yolks. I also added, I forgot to tell you, about 1/4 cup of milk or half and half cream, whatever you have in the pantry or in your fridge that you put in your morning coffee. And you're going to add your ingredients to the skillet and gently transfer it to the oven. And you're going to cook it until it is well puffed and golden all over. It's super fancy, it's super easy to make, and it looks so impressive. Let's see if Jeanette's done with the rolls so we can top them. You got the Englishes? Yeah. Okay, so we have our olive oil, butter, and crushed garlic mixture. We're gonna slather that all over. Don't be cheap with it. Don't be cheap with the cheese either. Then a little parsley. Oh, look, something green. There's no calories in all that butter and cheese. All right, when we come back, I'll show you how to top the beautiful souffled frittata after this. It's kind of starting to de-poof because we just slid it out, but this is a frittata that's especially light on your palate when you eat it because it's got a ton of egg whites that we folded into the egg yolks. And then I add all of these beautiful billows. Thank you, darling. Can I have a platter? We got me platter. And then we add beautiful billows of prosciutto di Parma up on top. It looks so cute. And then on top of that, this is olive oil, lemon juice, and a little sea salt on arugula right in the middle. Thank you, Jeanette. And then we pile up our garlic cheese English muffins. I know, right? So yummy. It's glorious. There you go. Ta-da! Have a snack. I bet it made you hungry.